Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit custom door lock. First, gather your essential tools, including a Torx screwdriver set and plastic trim removal tools. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the battery's negative terminal is disconnected for safety. Familiarize yourself with the door panel's attachment points, which typically include several screws and clips hidden beneath trim pieces. This preparation ensures a smooth removal process. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door handle trim and the electric window switch panel using your plastic trim tools. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to these components. Next, locate and unscrew all visible fasteners, which are usually Torx screws, holding the door panel in place. Once all screws are removed, gently unclip the door panel from the door frame, starting from the bottom edge and working your way up. With the door panel removed, carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier to expose the internal components of the door. Be gentle to avoid tearing it, as it protects against water ingress. Now, locate the door lock mechanism, which is typically mounted near the door's edge. Disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing its release tab and pulling it free. Also, detach any connecting rods that link the lock to the exterior handle or interior latch. Finally, unbolt the entire lock assembly from the door frame. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts securing it, often Torx head bolts. Once unbolted and all connections are free, carefully maneuver the lock out of the door cavity. It might require some wiggling to clear any internal obstructions. And speaking of things that make life better, if your car could use a refresh, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.